This is where the first stage of sausage production takes place.
Stage 1. Grinding and stuffing meat.
The high-quality imported pork cuts, once carefully prepared, are then transported to the factory. These cuts are fed into an industrial grinder. There, it's finely ground together with secret spices and flavorings, creating a savory mixture that stays fresh for longer. After that, this freshly mixed meat is released into a collection tray. Then, it will be taken for stuffing into casings. This step is a trade secret and is not shown to the public. The stuffing process is done. Next up, these raw sausages are hung on a conveyor to begin the cooking stage.
Stage 2. Smoking the sausages.
Right behind me is the sausage smoking line. The raw sausages are transported directly to an industrial smokehouse. Wow! Here, they're smoked using advanced technology for many hours, even several days, to develop their signature flavor. At first, overheating caused the sausages to fall and burn. The worker quickly cleaned up and fixed the issue by adding another output conveyor.
How to build the sausage smoking line. First, I'll build the support pillar for my hanging conveyor. Then, I'll add 4 support pillars onto the base plate. Number 2. Build the hook conveyor. My hanging conveyor will need a frame to connect the support pillars together. The tread link. The hook. Add the beams that holds the hooks. The pork has been delivered. Testing. My hanging conveyor works perfectly. Set up smoking line. The candle.
Now the sausage smoking line runs safely without problems. Alright, let's move on to the final stage.
Stage 3. Packing and shipping.
In this packaging stage, the finished sausages are carefully packed into small boxes. They are then loaded onto the waiting truck. Now the shipments are ready to be transported to their destinations.
Oh!
Wow!
Whoa!
Mmm. Wow!
Nothing can go wrong. They will be here any minute. We actually built it! Go get the food! Veggies coming through. Do vegetables have an order?
Only if you want it to look nice.
Nice and steady. No burning.
Smells good. That's a good sign.
We should set the table now. It's getting dark.
Dinner is officially saved. Worth building a whole oven for.
To Christmas together and to not burning dinner ever again.
Oh yeah, this is perfect.
Wow, it's really good.
Hey, slow down. How about a Christmas song? All right, get ready. I'm starting to record.
Christmas lights are shining bright. Good friends gather tonight. Burnt chicken didn't win tonight. We fixed it all, and now it's right. Jingle lights and Christmas cheer, dancing through another year. Friends and laughter all around. Best holiday that we have found.